Good afternoon, you guys. I've got another story for you. It's called What's That Noise, Little Mouse? I figured it was perfect for our stormy night that we're having, or that we've had every Monday for the last 2 weeks. The moon was up, the night was still, and Little Mouse was half asleep. All at once there came a noise, a long and loud and trembling noise. To-wit, to-woo! "What's that?" cried Mouse, now wide awake, holding his covers tight. But then he heard another noise, a steady tapping in the night. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Little Mouse crept out of bed and tiptoed from his room. His heart was all a-flutter. Outside, the wind was stirring in the trees, shaking the leaves with a shivering breeze. Through the hall window, crisp and clear, came a bustling, rustling, whispering sound. Shh! "Oh, my goodness!" Little Mouse gasped, and he scrambled downstairs as fast as he could. Standing alone in the kitchen, Mouse couldn't believe his ears. "It's a ghost!" Little Mouse cried, and he ran and hid in the cupboard. A wet and wobbly, dripping noise dribbled in the dark. Drip, drip, drip. The moonlight crept through the cupboard door, casting shadows all around. Little Mouse heard a grating sound, a creaking, squeaking, scraping sound. Creak! "The ghost's coming to get me!" Little Mouse wailed. He raced up the stairs and dived beneath the covers. But then came the worst noise of all, a rattling, chattering, clattering sound, and it was heading straight towards Little Mouse. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Shaking and quaking and quivering and shivering, Little Mouse let out the loudest sound of all. Wah! Quick as a flash, Mommy Mouse scampered into the room. "What is it, little one?" she called. Ghost!" Little Mouse cried. "It's louder than loud. Can you hear it?" "Well, I can hear an owl singing his song," said Mommy Mouse. "To-wit, to-woo!" "And your little clock ticking to lull you to sleep. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock." "Shh! There's a breeze in the trees wishing you good night." A kitchen tap dripping, drip, drip, drip. A cupboard door creaking, creak. And your window pane rattling, rattle, rattle, rattle. Mommy Mouse smiled. "No ghost, then?" said Little Mouse. "I didn't think there was." Mommy Mouse tucked him in and hugged him close. "Sweet dreams, sleep tight. Wish my mouse a quiet night," she sang to him softly. As soon as the only noise to be heard in the whole house was the thundering sound of Little Mouse snoring. It just goes to show that not all sounds you hear are scary. There are almost always answers for all of them.